Ducati Panigale V2 is a superbike that combines style, performance, and accessibility. It offers a thrilling ride without the extreme demands of its V4 siblings, making it a standout in its class. The Panigale V2 boasts a striking design, featuring a new White Rosso livery with silky white paint and Ducati red accents. It still revs manically like a race engine and has bucket loads of smooth, crisp, and perfectly delivered thrust. A superbike will always batter mind, body, and tires with its immense torque and inertia, but the Panigale V2's power delivery is kinder and easy to manage. It mirrors the aggressive look of the V4 with a single-sided swingarm and a luxurious seat for added comfort. With a monocoque airbox frame, the V2 is stable under hard braking and agile in corners. Few ABS systems can handle track work now. They panic at the first sign of the rear wheel going light under extreme braking, and the resulting loss of stopping power can send you sailing past a corner or clattering into the back of someone else. It's a relief to discover the Ducati's electronics leave the V2's Brembos to do what they do best. Its Showa fork and Sachs shock provide crisp steering and excellent grip. The Brembo brakes, paired with advanced ABS, ensure confident stopping power. Powered by a 955cc V-twin superquadro engine, the V2 delivers 153 horsepower. It offers smooth, manageable power, especially in race mode, making it ideal for both track and road use. The engine's Euro 5 exhaust enhances performance and efficiency. The Panigale V2 is built with top-notch quality, offering reliability and minimal maintenance. While it's a premium-priced sports bike, its performance and features justify the cost. Ducati's electronic aids and quick shifter enhance the riding experience, making it a worthy investment. In terms of the kind of equipment and performance you get for your money, the Panigale V2 is worth it, but there's no getting away from the fact it's expensive to buy and insure. PCP deals make ownership easier if you're not worried about ever owning the bike. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment with share your thoughts. If you love this video, please do subscribe, thumbs up, and share. See you next.